In today's episode, we take a closer look at the talented UFC fighter Payton Talbott. Known for his skills in the bantamweight division, his unique style, and his refreshing disregard for traditional hypermasculine norms in the sport, Talbott has captured the interest of fans both inside and outside the octagon. So, is Payton Talbott gay? Let's find out. Payton Talbott, a rising star in the UFC with a strong professional record, stands out in a sport often dominated by frat-type fighters. He's known for his house music enthusiasm, experimental video projects, and distinctive fashion choices, including crop tops and painted nails, which have sparked much discussion and speculation about his personal identity. Is Payton Talbott gay? Payton Talbott has not publicly confirmed a specific sexual orientation or label like gay. He keeps his personal and dating life private and has explicitly pushed back against the public's desire to label him. In an interview with the New York Times, he stated, "Who I'm trying to have sex with is none of your business, unless I'm trying to have sex with you." He has playfully teased the speculation, once responding to a hypothetical fight on social media with, "These hands are bisexual." While rumors have circulated for over a year that he is dating the private musician Frank Ocean, neither party has confirmed the romance, with Talbott describing their bond as unexpected and Ocean as a very special person. As of now, Payton Talbott continues to focus on his burgeoning UFC career and creative projects. He is a trailblazer in the MMA world for his authenticity and refusal to conform to stereotypes. He has spoken about facing death threats just for being himself and his desire to balance his fighting career with self-expression. Payton Talbott has transformed from a rising athlete into a figure challenging traditional sports norms. The main thing is that he has not personally confirmed his sexuality to the public, preferring to maintain his privacy. What he has done is create a space in the hypermasculine world of MMA for authenticity and self-expression, earning a dedicated fan base along the way. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on iconic sports stars and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.